Hey, hi friend. This is Tapos, and welcome to this module. Welcome to this new video. So, in this module, we will learn another very powerful pattern, that is menu action pattern. So, what is menu action pattern? Menu action pattern is, suppose you have one folder or some automation kind of work you can do. Suppose you have some folder, and you want to add something on that folder. You want to delete something from that folder. You want to customize something from that to that folder. So here only you can do some automation type of work you can do. So you will just instruct to ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that hey, just do this, just add this, just delete this, just customize this. Okay, so this option is not available in the free section, but for testing purpose you can do it. And in premium version also you can do it. But for time being, in free section it is free. When you are using a free chat gpt, in that time it is that automation is not there. Just for understanding purpose, just for concept purpose, I'm telling it. So what you can do is, you can add something, you can delete something, you can customize you the automation work you can do here. So let us take one example. Suppose here is one example that is task management. So the task management, so you are telling ChatGPT or any other artificial tools that whenever I type add task, that means you need to add something. You add task to my to do list. Suppose you have created one to do list, okay, and update my estimated completion time. Whenever I type remove task, you will remove task from my to-do list and update my estimated completion time. Whenever I type prioritize task, you will move task to top of my to-do list. Finally, you will ask me for the next action, ask me for the first action. Okay, so this is one example. Another example I would like to share with you, that is fitness tracker. So see, the fitness tracker is whenever I type log exercise, that means you will add something to exercise to my workout log and update my calorie count. Whenever I type remove exercise, you will remove exercise from my workout log and update my calorie count. Whenever I type suggest workout, you will you will provide a workout suggestion based on my fitness goal. Finally, you will ask me for the next action, ask me for the first action. Okay, so these are the example here. Again, I have given another example, that is budget planning. Whenever the format is pretty simple, right? Format is almost same. You need to only edit your content, your problem, your problem, your pain, your desired outcome, you need to mention only. So it will provide all the details. Okay, the format, it is pretty simple and same. Again, suppose if your subject is budget planning, so what you can do, whatever whenever I will type add expense, you will add expense to my budget tracker and update my total spending. Whenever I type remove expense, you will remove expenses from my budget tracker and update my total spending. Whenever I type analyze spending, you will provide a summary of my spending, my patterns, and suggest ways to save money. Finally, you will ask me for the next action, ask me for the first action. Okay, so let us here another example, recipe management, and another example, I think learning management. All these examples are there. So the format is quite same, only you need to replace your content. So let us practice. Let us take suppose the exercise one. Let me take this exercise one. Let's see how it works. I will go to chat gpt. Here it is, I will paste it. So here I have given the whenever I type log exercise, you will add exercise to my workout log and update my calorie count. So let us run it. Let's see how it works. It will ask me, okay, sure, let's get started. What is your fitness, what is your first action? So here I said that when I will say log exercise, that means when I will type log exercise, you will add exercise to my workout log and update my calorie count. Whenever I will type remove exercise, so there are three kinds of work I will do: log exercise, remove exercise, and then whenever I will type Whenever I type suggest workout, that means you will suggest, sorry, where it is coming. Let me edit it. Okay, so whenever I will type that suggest workout, whenever I type suggest workout, you will provide a workout suggestion based on my fitness goal. So now it's asking, let's get started. What is your first action? So I will say log exercise. I need to add something, log exercise. So now it will ask me what exercise you want, or you want to add. Please specify the exercise you would like to log. So I will say chest exercise, chest exercise. Okay, so I said please. ChatGPT asked me, please specify the exercise you would like to log. Log means I want to add it. Okay, so I have given here chest exercise. Now it is asking, it is saying I have logged chest exercise in your workout log. Do you have a specific exercise you would like to track, or would you like me to estimate the calories burned? What is your next action? So I would say next action is this, might be suggest workout, suggest workout. So what it will do, it will provide me some workouts plan. It will suggest me to provide the best workout suggestion. Could you please share your fitness goals? For example, are you aiming to build muscle, lose weight, increase endurance, or something else? So I will say build muscle, build muscle. So this is my fitness goal, it's asking. So step by step it will ask, before providing the proper answer, before give you the accurate answer. So now it's saying great, the building muscle, here is a workout suggestion focused on chest and upper body strength. So it's saying upper body muscle building workout. So what I need to do, bench press 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps, incline dumbbell press, chest flies, push-ups, then tricep dips, overhead dumbbell press, and all these things I need to do for build, for muscle build, and the specification is chest workout. So again, make sure to rest for 60 to 90 seconds between sets. 60 to 90 seconds between sets, and aim to increase the weight gradually to continue challenging your muscle. So what is your next action? So I would say bicep exercise, bicep exercise as log exercise, log log exercise, bicep log exercise, bicep exercise. So I'm telling to add log exercise means add exercise, bicep exercise. So I have, it is saying, ChatGPT is saying I have logged bicep exercise in your workout log. What is your next action? So next I will say remove, remove remove exercise. Which one? Suppose I would say the first workout what I suggested, chest exercise. Remove exercise chest, remove exercise chest. So I'm to remove. So ChatGPT is saying, okay, I have removed chest exercise from your workout log. So I have one folder, I have one file. So from there it has added, it has removed, it has customized, it has given me the suggestion and all these things. Okay, so let us I think you have got the clear idea that how to use this pattern. Okay, so now let us take another example so that we can practice. Let us take this budget planning example. Okay, let's practice it. Suppose this. So what I'm saying, when I type add expense, you will add expense to my budget tracker plan, budget tracker, and update my total spending. Whenever I type remove expense, you will remove expense from my budget tracker and update my total spending. Whenever I type analyze spending, you will provide a summary of my spending patterns and suggest ways to save money. Finally, you will ask me for the next action, ask me for the first action. Okay, so let us run it. So there are also three things I can do: add expense, remove expense, and analyze spending. Okay. Okay, got it. Let's get started. What is your first action? So I would say add expense. Add expense, I will say. It will ask me something because it is not clear. Please specify the expense you would like to add to your budget tracker. Expense, suppose, please specify the expense you would like to add. Suppose uh, house rent, house rent, suppose electricity bill, sorry, electricity bill, and what else? Petro, petro fuel for bike. Acha, fuel for bike or petrol for bike. Petrol, petrol for bike. Okay, this many things I want to add, so let's see. Okay, I have added the following expenses to your budget tracker, that is house rent, electricity bill, petrol for bike. It has added my expense as in my folder. It is already added. Okay, would you like to specify the amounts for this expense I should or should I process with the next action? So again, I would say amount. Suppose house rent, it is 30,000, 30K. Then shift enter. Then 2 is electricity bill, suppose 1000 rupees, 1K. Shift enter. Then suppose my petrol for bike is again 1K. Okay, let it at 2K. Okay, so now I have given the details. Yes, I have updated the budget tracker with the following amounts: house rent 30,000, electricity bill 1,000, petrol for bike is 2,000 rupees. What is your next action? So next action, what I can say, I can say suppose remove expense. I will know. I can say, but for now I will say analyze spending. This is what I can use. Let's see how it works. Analyze spending. It will again ask. It will again ask how to analyze and all those things. No, it is asking. So it is saying that here is summary. Here is a summary of your spending based on your expense log. So see here, I gave, I think, detailed information. I said whenever I will type analyze spending, you will provide a summary of my spending patterns and suggest ways to save money. Finally, you will ask me for the next answer. So I said that you will provide some suggestions so that I can save some money. So let's check how it is saying. It is saying total spending this 30,000, 31,000, 33,000. Okay, total is 33,000. Analyze house rent. This is like a fixed monthly expense. It is a significant part of your budget, so consider reviewing it periodically to ensure it remains with your financial plan. Electricity bill are relatively small and variable expense. Look for ways to reduce consumption if this fluctuates significantly. Petrol for bikes variable depending on usage. To manage this, track your mileage and consider fuel saving practice. Okay, suggestion to save. Review fixed expense regularly. Review your house rent and explore options for reducing this cost, such as negotiating with other your landlord or finding a more affordable place. Reduce utility cost, implement energy saving measures to lower your electricity bill, such as using energy efficiently, appliances, and reducing unnecessary use. Optimize transportation cost. So plan your bike trips to reduce fuel consumption and consider alternative modes of transport if visible. So what is your next action? So now I will say uh, remove, suppose, petrol for bike. I would say this. So what it will do, remove expense, remove expense. What I need to be removed?